Changing your payout method on Vrbo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your payments through your preferred method. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select payout preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or update your payout method. You may be prompted to enter new payment details, such as bank account information or PayPal details, depending on your choice. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Vrbo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.